Hello, and welcome to English for Beginners, the podcast, where we help you learn useful English phrases for everyday situations. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're talking about useful English phrases you need when staying at a hotel.
That's right. Whether you're checking in, asking for help, or checking out, we've got you covered. Let's start with checking in.
When you arrive at a hotel, you usually go to the reception desk. The receptionist might say, "Hello, how can I help you?"
And you can say, I have a reservation under the name Smith. Or if you don't have a reservation, you can ask, Do you have any rooms available?
That's a great one. The receptionist might ask for your passport or ID and then give you your room key.
Now, let's move on to some useful phrases during your stay. What if you need extra towels or pillows?
You can call the reception and say, "Hello, could I have some extra towels, please?" Or, "Could I get an extra pillow?"
Exactly. And if something is not working in your room, you can say, Excuse me, the air conditioning is not working. Can you send someone to fix it?
Very useful. Now, what about asking for recommendations? You might ask, "Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?" Or, "What are some popular tourist attractions around here?"
Perfect. And when it's time to check out, you can go to the reception and say, I'd like to check out, please. The receptionist might ask if everything was okay, and you can say, Yes, everything was great. Or, I had a wonderful stay.
And don't forget to ask for the bill. You can say, "Could I have the bill, please?"
Great. Now let's do a quick recap. Listen and repeat after us.
I have a reservation under the name.
Do you have any rooms available?
Could I have some extra towels, please?
Excuse me, the air conditioning is not working.
Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
I'd like to check out, please.
Could I have the bill, please?
Well done. That's all for today. We hope these phrases help you on your next trip.
That's it for today's episode. Thanks for listening to English for Beginners. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.
And remember, learning English is just like helping the environment. Small actions every day lead to big results. See you next time. Bye.